I am formless, and everywhere. I am in everything, and beyond. I fill all space. Death and life are the manifestations of God's activity. You cannot separate the two. God permeates all. Do not be idle. Work. Utter God's name. And read the scriptures. If we see all actions as God's doing, we will be unattached and free from karmic bondage. Gain and loss, birth and death, are in the hands of God. Do not kick against the pricks of life. Whatever creature comes to you, human or otherwise, treat it with consideration. Distinguish right from wrong. And be honest, upright, and virtuous. Before you speak, ask yourself, is it kind? Is it necessary? Is it true? Does it improve the silence? Anger, ego, jealousy are the biggest diseases. Keep yourself aloof from these three diseases. The grace of God is like insurance. It will help you in your time of need, without any limit. Other people's acts will affect just them. It is only your own deeds that will affect you. Do not be obsessed by egotism, imagining that you are the cause of action. Everything is due to God. Do not use poisonous words against anyone, for words wound more fatally than even arrows. Look at the world with the vision of peace, love, and compassion. Then the whole world will appear loving and peaceful. Do not get attached to worldly things and pursuits. Be in the world, but do not let the world be in you. If you honor your mother, the mother of the universe will guard you against harm. Love is a bridge over the sea of change. Do not build a house on it. The secret of perfect health lies in keeping the mind always cheerful. Never worried. Never hurried. Never borne down by any fear, thought, or anxiety. Our life is like a block of ice, which is melting away every moment, before it spends itself devoted to the service of others. Education in human values is designed to prepare everyone for this life of dedicated service. God is one. Sabka Malik Ek. My business is to give blessings. I get angry with none. Will a mother get angry with her children? Will the ocean send back the waters to the several rivers? I will take you to the end. Surrender completely to God.
Thank you for watching this video. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Please like and subscribe. Paramount Quotes.